Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to get and use your Bitget referral code to earn money. For new users, visit the Bitget website or download the app, then click Sign Up. Follow the simple registration process and verify your account and you're ready. After that, go to the home page and hover over the menu. Then click Refer a Friend. You can also go directly to the Bitget Referral Program page. And if you're an existing user, just log in, open the menu, and select Referral section or go straight to the Referral Program page. In there, you'll see your unique referral link and code. This toolkit is what tracks the friends you invite and makes sure you get your rewards. You have different ways to share it, like copying the code, copy and send your referral link, or share the QR code through email, social media, or direct message. The more people you invite, the more rewards you can unlock. Now click on the invite button to see all available options for sharing. Just make sure your friends use your referral code during registration. This is how Bitget links their activity to your account so you receive your bonuses. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.